Hey there, it's Windows Fixer here. Are you struggling with the error 0x800f0835 while installing the update KB5044273? A little research and then I found a few solutions that I'm gonna share in this video. Let's get started. The step number one is click on the Windows icon and then go into the settings. Now update and security, and on the left side you will see here the troubleshooter, then advanced troubleshooter options. It's a common but it's effective. Run the troubleshooter. Might be only this method will not resolve your issue, but still you need to follow this method because sometimes few things you can fix using this method, and further we will do in the next methods. Okay, once it is done, troubleshoot has completed. Troubleshoot make some changes to your systems. Try attempting the task you were trying to do before. So yeah, you need to restart your PC and then you need to try it again. It will resolve your issue hopefully. And again you need to go into the settings and then update, and then simply you need to click here, check for updates. If there's available it will pop up, but in case if still you are facing this issue, then let's move on the step number 2, which is more useful. Click on the Windows icon and then you need to search here disk cleanup. Choose the C drive where mostly you have the Windows installed, and on that drive you will see a Windows icon. Choose, click on OK, click on the cleanup system files, again choose the C drive, select all these options and then click on OK, click on delete. Okay, after doing this method, now what we are gonna do here, the next step, just launch any browser, and then what you need to do here, you need to open the Microsoft catalog update, and then you need to paste here the code that you are facing issues with, and then click on search. Because we are going with the manual method, manually download updates related to your error code KB5044273 based version, so we need to match the requirement first, right? And for that you need to type here the WinVer and open this one. Now as you can see here, the version is 22H2, and right now I'm using the PC version which is 64-bit. so here is the 64-bit 22H2 64-bit. we are gonna download this one, and also make sure that focus on this one, Windows 10 and later GDR. Click on the download button and then just wait here, just click here to save somewhere on the desktop or where you want. And once the download is done, once download is done, now how to install it, the easiest method, it's on desktop right now. Okay, right, let me open here the notepad. First you need to rename this, copy and then paste it over here, and then .cab, right? Now paste this command, something, that's the command. Now don't save, go into the C drive, make new folders, update and paste it over here like this. It's .cab, right? So now you can open the CMD, right click on it, run as administrator, yes, paste the command over here and then hit enter. See updates. Oh my bad, I did a mistake. The name, it's updates. Now again, now it's working. Okay, so that's the way guys you can fix the problem if you are facing. I'm gonna cancel it over here because I have already the latest version right now. The thing is, you need to do the next step is again open the command prompt. If this is not working, then first we will fix the Windows corrupted file. The first command is you need to apply here sfc /scan now and then hit enter. This will take time and then it will scan and fix the corrupted files. Okay, As you can see, Windows Resource Protections found corrupted files and successfully repaired them. For online repairs, details are included in the CBS log. Files located at this location. But anyways, now it's repair. Now the next command we will use here, DISM space / online space cleanup underscore image space / restore health, and then hit enter. Now this will restore your Windows image servicing, and that's it. The restore operation completed successfully. Now guys, after this you can again manually update your Windows, and it will definitely work for you. Now a few last steps you can apply for again before updating your operating system manually. The same command, I will provide each and everything in the description step by step. A few commands that we are gonna use here. Just open your notepad, and then what we are gonna do here, first you need to type here ipconfig / release enter, ipconfig / renew, ipconfig / flush DNS, ipconfig / register DNS. These are the internet related commands, right? Now again hit enter, and now you need to type here net and then what we need to do here, save as on desktop, choose here all files, reset windows.bat, and then click on OK. Close it. Now right click on it, run as administrator, click on yes. It will apply all the command one by one, and your problem should be resolved 100%. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like, share your feedback in the comments, and subscribe to Windows Fixer for more solution. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.